Have you ever felt stuck even after you know what you should be doing? You must have read books, made some plans, watched some videos, set up some goals, but yet you're not able to move forward. And that's the reason life coaching is increasingly becoming popular these days all around the world. So, what is exactly life coaching? Is it some kind of mentoring? Is it some kind of motivation session? Is it some kind of advice? Or is it some kind of goal setting? Or something entirely different? Let's figure it out in simple and practical manner. Hello everyone, my name is Rashid Hingrat. I am an ICF trained life coach. I am from Delhi. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will understand what life coaching is in simple and practical way. So you must have heard about the term life coaching. Many people have heard about this term, but I bet you very few people know the exact meaning. And you must have also thought, what is life coaching? What does a life coach do? And who is it for? Is it something that you can also be benefited from? So let me tell you a good news that in this video you will get your answers in a very simple and practical way. So let's understand it first by a simple example. So two people are standing at a crossroad. Hmm? One exactly knows where they want to go, but that person is procrastinating. And the other person is feeling confused about which direction to take. So, in these both situations, a problem is common, that lack of clarity and forward movement. And that's where life coaching exactly works. So, what exactly is life coaching? It is a simple process, a partnership that is designed to help people to move from where they are to where they want to be. A life coach will never tell you how to live. Instead, coaching uses simple and reflective questions and tools to help people gain more clarity, to help people find out their life goals, to explore any kind of obstacles, to develop an action plan, and to stay accountable. So many people think that life coaching is where you get all kind of advices. No, that is not true. So in reality, life coaching is helping people discover their own answers. So a belief behind life coaching is very simple, that people often know more than what they think they know. They just need right questions. So exactly what happens in a coaching session? So, a coaching sessions consist of questions such as, what do you really want in life? What are the obstacles you are facing? What are the things which are in your control? Have you tried any other options? What are the steps that you are willing to take? Now, notice something very important here, that these questions are not focusing on solutions. These questions are focused more on thinking more clearly. So, coaching creates a space for reflection in the world which is moving faster. Here, no one asks you these questions on everyday basis. So, it is also very important to understand what life coaching is not. Life coaching is not a therapy session. Life coaching is not a counseling session. Life coaching is not consulting. Life coaching is not mentoring. A coach will not diagnose any mental health disease. A coach will not prescribe you any medicine. A coach will never tell you what exactly the decisions you want to take in life. So the goal is not dependency. The goal is making you more independent. The goal is greater. The goal is to bring more self awareness and self leadership qualities in you. So, a good coaching session often transform a person to make their own decisions independently. So, people often seek coaching when they want to develop more confidence, gain clarity about their life goals, improve their habits, and be more accountable, and to gain better communication skills. And these transformations are not overnight. People often think that they will transform in a day or two in just one coaching session. No, the transformation comes from consistent awareness and consistent actions with accountability. So let's do a simple reflective exercise here. Ask yourself, which is that one area of my life where I have been feeling stuck lately? What are the decisions I am procrastinating in my life? What would I do if I trusted myself a little more? Write down your answers. Sometimes clarity comes from simple, honest answers. So, coaching is not about fixing people. Coaching is helping people gain clarity, take intentional actions, and move forward with awareness in their life. So, comment down below if you have learned something about life coaching, and how would you have defined life coaching before watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video really soon.